Step by step how to make wall plaster head from start to finish. The purpose of making wall plaster head is, among other things, so that the plaster results are flat and not wavy. What the manufacturer of plaster heads guaranteed to provide satisfactory quality. First the step, which is to determine the thickness of the plaster 2 cm. Then make a mark, then weigh and attack the thread according to the scales. The other side of the wall is also made like before. Then install a 2-inch concrete nail under the test thread and smooth its wet thread. Then the thread can be opened, and this concrete nail is followed for the flatness of the wall plaster head. After finishing marking the thickness and finish of the plaster, then start making the head of the wall plaster with a width of 5 cm. After partially finished making the plaster head, then this is the result. The nail that was installed earlier serves as a substitute for the wedging thread. Before plastering the walls, the plaster head must be left on for 1 day before plastering. After finishing making the plaster head, next weathering the walls of the fillet. The goal is that the plaster does not dry out easily and is easy to rub. Then your plaster. The next step is to plaster the walls until they are finished. This is the result of flatness after plastering. After finishing the plaster, I immediately gave the coating so that the strength of the compound was connected, or often called direct plaster. When finished, then rub it then rub it again using dry cement paper. Work done. Hope it's useful. For more information, see the Builder playlist channel. Thank you for watching.